If you want to edit a segment, like trim out a segment of a video, what you do is you'd make sure you'd go to your YouTube studio and you go to whatever the video is that you want to edit. On the left side, you'll see it says editor. You'll click there. And then this first section here where it says trim and cut, that's what you're going to want to do. So you're going to want to hit that and then say make a new cut. Now, if you just wanted to edit the beginning or the end, you see this blue section, that's where you would do that. That would be kind of like a trim, the beginning or the end. So that's what you do. You could do it here at the beginning or you could do it at the end, but trim a section within the video. What you're going to do, that's where this red comes in. And so you could take a little tiny piece here, like a second, or you could do a long section if you want. If you're just doing like a very small pause, then you'll just go to wherever that is. So let's see here.
Any serious entrepreneur could do this as well, regardless of your previous marketing experience. What you want to do, you're going to love this. Stick around.
And so what I would do is, so here's where I think I'm going to make this cut, but you see right over here where it says you can zoom in. That's going to make it easier and more precise. So you're definitely going to want to zoom in, and that way it allows you to make the best cut or trim of that section. And then once you do that, you hit this little check mark. And then if you want to listen to it again to see what it sounds like, you can go like right before it and then hit play.
What you want to do, you're going to as well, regardless of your previous marketing experience. What you want to do, you're going to love this. Stick around.
And then you're going to hit save. And what's going to happen, when it hits save, it's going to take a little while processing the change. And so it might not show up for a few hours. Once it's saved, again, it might take a few hours for it to actually show up with that change made. If you want more tutorials on how to grow your YouTube channel, make sure to click on this playlist. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.